There exists a rare breed of automobile that doesn't just break the rules but rewrites the definition of what a hypercar should be. The Pagani Utopia 2025 is not merely a machine, it's a bold artistic expression, sculpted for those who believe driving is still an emotional experience, not just a technological one. It doesn't beg for attention with excessive digitalization or autonomous trickery. Instead, it commands respect through craftsmanship, engineering purity, and a heartbeat that echoes old-school performance with futuristic flair. At the core of the Utopia is a magnificent 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 developed in collaboration with AMG, a powerhouse of raw performance, producing an exhilarating 864 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. This engine doesn't whisper, it howls. What makes the Utopia even more distinct is Pagani's decision to offer a traditional manual gearbox alongside an automated manual. In a time when paddle shifters dominate and electric silence is celebrated, Pagani hands back control to the driver with a gated shifter that links man to machine in the most visceral way. Weighing just 1,280 kilograms, the Utopia is a masterclass in lightweight engineering. Built from Pagani's signature carbo titanium monocoque, every curve, every vent, and every aerodynamic detail is a functional expression of beauty. The design isn't dictated by trends or wind tunnels alone, it's guided by emotion, purpose, and timeless elegance. The body flows like a living sculpture, with exposed titanium quad exhausts at the rear that erupt with symphonic ferocity. The butterfly doors rise with theatrical grace, inviting you into an interior that feels more like luxury watch than a car cabin. Inside, you're met with a feast for the senses. The cabin is an analog dream in a digital world. No oversized touchscreens, no voice assistants, just handcrafted aluminum knobs, exposed gear mechanisms, leather-wrapped gauges, and artisan-level detailing. The steering wheel feels alive in your hands. Every tactile surface connects you back to the roots of driving, making it clear this isn't a place for distraction but the sanctuary for passion. It's like stepping into a cockpit where time slows down, and the only thing that matters is the road ahead. The Utopia doesn't aim to follow any automotive trend, it sets its own path. There are no hybrid systems, no regenerative braking, no EV-range numbers to worry about. This car isn't built to please regulators or fit into the mold of the future. It's built for the purist, the enthusiast, the dreamer. Pagani has created something that feels rebellious, yet elegant. It doesn't apologize for being mechanical in a world turning digital. In fact, it celebrates it. Driving the Utopia is more than just speed, it's about sensation. The hydraulic steering provides direct communication with the tarmac. The suspension, tuned with racing precision, offers poise and confidence in every turn. The response of the V12 under your right foot is immediate and unfiltered. The sound, the feel, the adrenaline, it's all there, and it's all real. Pagani hasn't diluted the experience. They've distilled it down to its purest form. Only 99 units of the Utopia will ever exist, each tailored to its owner's exact specifications. No two will be identical. This isn't mass production, it's haute couture on four wheels. Owners can select unique materials, colors, finishes, and textures. Every Utopia becomes an individual story, a personal expression of style and performance. It's not a car you just drive, it's a car you live with, connect to, and admire like a piece of art. Pagani calls it Utopia because it represents a dream, a place where compromise doesn't exist and where perfection is relentlessly pursued. In an era where efficiency and conformity reign supreme, the Utopia is a breath of fresh air, reminding the world that emotion, beauty, and soul still matter. It's the kind of car that doesn't just turn heads up, it stops hearts.